Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel and another installment of Now That's Cool. A few videos back, I featured a new product, a curbside of the NASCAR truck series that is offered by Jay's Model Garage. And I showed you Clay Kemp's build as well as Jamie Bowen's build, and they're doing new ones as well as, so am I. But these are really great trucks. Well, I got to see Jamie's Corey Heim Toyota Tundra up close and personal at the SCMA Upstate show. And let me tell you, it is cool. So let me share it with you. Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com. If you're not familiar with the 2026 Truck Series line offered by Jay's Model Garage, I encourage you to head over to jaysmodelgarage.com and check them out. He's got all the manufacturers. Our buddy John over at Just Want to Build a Model is doing some of the decals, and I know there's more coming, as well as Slips Decals, who made the offering for this one, the Safelite truck. And I'll let Jamie tell you more about those decals and their quality. And let me tell you, for a curbside kit, guys, this thing is something. Even the belly pan has a decent amount of detail, again, for a curbside. All of the body lines for this Tundra and the stance of the vehicle is just totally stock, and they really look good. The tires, the wheels, everything are spot on. You've got the brake assembly behind these with the lug nuts and the lugs. I mean, this is very well done. Very, very well done. From the rear, you see the supports for the rear spoiler. I mean, everything about this really looks sharp and spot on. You can see on the dash the electronics and through the side window here. The roll cage, everything about this kit is just really clean, very, very sharp, and a great addition to the shelf. The window net comes in two configurations. You get both with the kit. It comes with it for the upward position as well as the down position. The racing seat, the dash, you can get in either analog or the digital type. So these are really, really sharp. And I'm going to go ahead and let Jamie tell you about this particular build. This is the Corey Heim Championship truck. Enjoy, and at the end I've got some more stills. A few of them I haven't shown and a few of them you have seen, but it really is cool, guys. Enjoy. Guys, we're here with Jamie Bowen, and Jamie's got something that is really cool. I'm going to let him tell you about this thing. You have seen me show this in a couple of videos, but this is up close and personal. Jamie, tell us about it.
This is Jay's Model Garage's new 3D printed curbside Craftsman truck kit. It's the Corey Heim 2025 Championship truck. That's the look I went for it. The decal sheet allows you to do it a couple of different ways. Slips Decals is doing the decals. I went with MCW red lacquer on it, Speedacoat 2K clear, and it's completely box stock except for the flocking on the seat. Everything that you see there come with the kit from Jay's Model Garage.
Well, and you're carrying some of these today here at the show too.
Yeah, we've got them here at the show today for $65. Show special today. On his site, they're $69.95. Today at the show, we're selling them for $65. So you get a little discount today.
A little bit off. Wow, and you were telling me these decals, I was thinking the white was painted, and you were saying that's actually a decal.
Yeah, that's actually a decal. Like I said, we were curious to see, if the white was actually going to cover the red, and it did really well. We were surprised at how well it did. So they're doing a good job with the decals, and Slips is going to be making all the truck decals. So several decal sheets coming out for it soon. So with the Ford, and Jay just finished up the Dodge. So we got the Ford, the Dodge, the Chevy, and the Toyota. So got all 4 of them.
Well, being a Mopar guy, even though I drive a Silverado every day, I might have to have one of those Rams too.
Yeah, they're nice looking.
Guys, this thing, I tell you, for your shelf, you need to pick up one of these. It is an awesome looking kit, and this is the first Tundra I've seen. Well, it's the only one out there right now.
Yeah, I think this is the first time anybody's seen one in person. I don't think anyone's got one finished yet.
All right, man.
Awesome.
Jamie, thank you, brother.